Here's some basic upper back stretches to try if you've been having upper back or neck pain while sitting and working from home. We're going to do a pectoral stretch. These muscles can get very tight, especially if you've been sitting in more of a forward rounded posture. So all you need is a door frame. You're going to start with your arms in this 90-degree angle and go on each side of the door frame. Put one foot forward and then gently lean inwards. You should feel the stretch on both sides in the front of your shoulder. If there's any pain for any reason, you can also do it with your arms down in a low V. And then same thing, just grab onto the door frame and try to lean inwards. You can also do this with just one arm, so in a 90-degree angle, taking a step forward with the opposite foot, and leaning inwards. You're gonna try to hold for 30 seconds and then do this stretch 3 times. This next stretch is called the open book stretch. It's gonna start on your side, and then your hands are gonna be on top of each other, and then your legs stacked on top of each other. And so my bottom arm, my right arm in this case, is gonna stay put, and then the left hand is gonna start to reach back as far as I can go, and then come back to meet it. My eyes are following my hand, and my lower half of the body is not moving. So just going back as far as you can, as far as feels comfortable, holding about 3 to 5 seconds at the end. So you'll do 15 on one side, and then you'd switch. Do it the same thing on the opposite side. So this next exercise is called the cat-camel or cat-cow exercise. You're gonna start on your hands and knees with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. And then the first motion, you're just gonna arch your back up towards the ceiling and then back towards the ground. So you're gonna think about the motion coming from the area in between your shoulder blades, and you're gonna puff up that area towards the ceiling, and then that same area is reaching towards the ground. So your low back and your neck are just kind of following with that motion. And so again, going up towards the ceiling, holding 3 seconds, and then going back down. We're gonna do a variation of the cat-camel stretch now in a seated position. This is good if you have any knee pain while kneeling, or if you wanna perform an upper back stretch in the middle of your workday. So you're gonna start with your hands on your thighs, and then you're gonna arch your back towards the back of your chair, and then you're gonna puff your chest out forwards. So leading with that space in between your shoulder blades, and then going forwards. Holding about 3 seconds, doing it 15 times each direction.